What's up guys, you're watching the Situ, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. And like today our topic is PlayStation 4 error, and the error is E-82000028. The credit card or debit card information is stored on your account is invalid. It's the payment method error. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we go to the payment method and simply go to the settings here first, and then account management and account information, and here we are at the look at that, the wallet and the other address. You must check your address first. Also, do you have a payment method, and your PSN account address must be the same, and then go to the wallet. Here we go to the add funds and purchase settings. Here you add funds from the redeem codes, and here is you just set on the no, don't require payment method. You already added here your payment method. Sometimes it's expired and you want to add a new one. You can add a PayPal account number, credit confirmation, different region, and have a different method of payment. And here you just add a credit confirmation with the new one if the older one is not working and maybe sometime expired. And you must check the PSN account network. Sometime network also a low under maintenance, so that's why you got the problem. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.